Okay, everybody. So what we want to do is we just want to have a little bit of review over what you did yesterday. So with this, let's start with a very easy one. When you're talking about volume of a prism, most of the ways that we're going to do it is you're going to do the area of the base, which is length times width, and then multiply that by the height. So the great thing about it, it's a lot shorter than surface area. So 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2. You can multiply it in any order you want. You get a little commutative property. So you are looking at 3 times 4, which is 12. 12 times 2. That means that it's going to take 24-inch cubes to fit into that box. Now, this over here, let's see if we can fit this on here. Oh my gosh, I'm amazing. Same thing, your volume is going to be 3, let's do the formula first, length times width times height. So now, 3/5 multiplied by 4/5 multiplied by 2/5. Okay. Remember our rules for multiplication? I can look for cross-canceling if I see any, and I see nothing for cross-canceling. So 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. And then 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 times 5. 125 units cubed. You love it when it's simple that way. Okay, let's look on here. Ooh, okay. Change our color. So I've got the volume, length times width times height. Volume equals 3/4 times 1/2 times 3/5. Okay, I'm going to multiply everybody. So I'm going to give you just a second to look and see if you see any cross-canceling. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I see nothing. So 3 times 1 is 3, times 3 is 9, 4 times 2 is 8, times 5 is 40 feet cubed. Okay, maybe I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Get rid of that. Slide this one over just a little bit. Okay, so volume equals length times width times height. Volume equals 5/6 multiplied by 4/5 multiplied by 2/3. Okay, I'm going to give you a little bit to check it through real quick. See if you see any cross-canceling. Three, 2, 1. Well, I'm going to cross-cancel these 5s. And I am going to choose to cross-cancel this and this. You could have done the 4 and the 6 also. It's cool either way. 1 times 4 times 1 is 4. 3 times 3 times 1 is 9. So 4/9 of a meter cubed. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, this one looks good. So let's go green this time. Volume equals 2/3 times 3/4 times 1/6. Sorry, shame on me. Length, width, height. Anybody see cross-canceling? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to cross-cancel these 3s. And I'm going to cross-cancel this 2 and this 4. Can't do anything here. 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 times 6 is 12. Boom. Okay. Let's move along. See if we can find anything a little bit more. Okay. I could do this. Let's go purple. So how about if we do volume equals length, width, height. Volume equals 7/8 multiplied by half multiplied by 5/8. Okay. As you look for cross-canceling, unfortunately, I don't see any. So that means 7 times 1 is 7, times 5 is 35. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 8, you end up with 128 meters cubed. Okay, let's talk about a real-world problem. I like this one. Okay, 1 cubic foot. So that's going to look like this. 1 foot cube weighs 70 pounds. About how many pounds are going to fit in this dump truck? So I'll move it over for you just a little bit. Okay. Volume equals length, width, height. So volume equals 4 3/4 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 17. Now, I'm going to use my calculator because that's why we have it, and we want to be able to use it in situations like this. So I'm going to give you a little bit of time to use yours also. And let's see if you and I come up with the same volume for the dump truck. Got my answer. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. So my volume. Ooh, I just found a mistake. Hang on a second. Let me adjust mine. Okay. 646 cubic feet. Okay. Great job on the volume. We're not quite finished because 1 cubic foot of dirt weighed 70 pounds. We want to figure out how much 646 cubic feet are going to weigh. That's right. I'm going to take this answer and I'm going to multiply it by 70. So I'm going to give you just a little time to come up with an answer. Let's see if you and I agree. Three, 2, 1. All right, geniuses, I got 45,220 pounds. All right, nice job on the application word problem. Let's look at one more. So I have this computer tower. I know that I have 2 numbers on the bottom that are 16 and 7. What I don't know is I don't know the height. But as luck would have it, I know the volume. So to find the height, or actually any one of these numbers, we're just going to work backwards. So I know the volume, and I know 2 of the numbers to solve. So if I take 1,792 I divide it by 16, I get 112. And then I divide that by 7, I get 16. So 16 is my height. 16 inches to be exact. I'm going to erase that, but it looks bad. And if I want to check it, I just go back, I put it back in my calculator, and I go 16 times 16 times 7, and I get, sorry, my calculator's acting funky, 1,792 cubic inches. So you and I have just proved this is the height. All right, everybody, you're going to be working on some independent practice today. Go back and look at this anytime you need to. Check your notes. All right, have a good day.